So the next one is using the same here magnification formula we have to derive. So now the topic is magnification formula. So now I am not going to define the magnification. Remember, what is magnification I am not giving. From the formula I will give you the definition. So here magnification formula will give you the relation between or the ratio between the heights. Okay, so here simply to get that one, first of all I am showing you what is height of the object, what is height of the image. O dash is what? Height of the object. That is given as here h naught. Look at I dash, what it is? It is image height given as hi. Then here also I will depend on the similar triangles that which have the object height and image height in them as a part. So what the triangles? Right angular triangles and having opposite angle. Similar triangles. So what they are here? Triangle O dash P is similar to the triangle P I dash here. Triangle P I dash, just highlighting that one. Look at. Is it clear? The next here simply we know from the similar triangles that the corresponding sides ratios are same. Okay, so here simply by transposing I am writing I dash by O dash is equals to, I want to write, so I dash by O dash is equals to Pi by Po. See here. Then I know I dash is equals to Hi, but minus written. Why I am written here minus? Because here according to sign convention rules, height is measured below principal axis, that is taken to be negative. So height of the image is negative, that is equal to I dash. Then what about O dash? It is measured above the principal axis, so that is given to positive. Sign convention is positive. Above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. Here above and below we will measure heights only. So height of the image is negative, height of the object is positive. Pi is there, Po is there. What is Po? Po is object distance. According to sign convention we will write minus. Then what is Pi? Image distance. It is given as positive in the direction of incident light ray. Then substitute that 4 parameters in your relation here. What is that? I dash by O dash equal to Pi by Po. I dash is equals to minus Hi, we will substitute. Okay. Then you will write here I dash equal to minus Hi by O dash is equals to H naught. That is equals to Pi is V and Po is minus U. So I got this one. Is it clear? Look at here. What you got? The relation between heights to the distances. Right? That is image to the object. That ratio also image to the object. So height of the image to the height of the object, that is equal to image distance to the object distance. Both sides you have minus. If you cancel that minus, what will be remains here? Hi by H naught is equals to V by U. That is here defined as magnification, denoted by the letter M. So M is equals to Hi by H naught, that is equals to V by U. Now I will define that magnification as follows. Here magnification is a ratio between the image height to the object height. How the magnification is defined? Magnification is the image ratio to the object height ratio. Right? It is a ratio between similar quantities simply. There is no unit for the magnification. Similar quantities. So both heights having centimeters units cancelled, or both distances having the same units centimeters will be cancelled. So here see how it is looking like. A equal to B equal to C. Mathematically A equal to B equal to C. Then you are able to make different relations here. A equal to B, B equal to C, A equal to C. So like that, here M equal to, I am able to write Hi by H naught. It is one of the relation we can use as magnification formula. Or here you can use M equal to V by U. It is also one of the formula for us to find out the magnification. Or one more we are able to use, that is here Hi by H naught is equals to V by U. So from that commonly we are able to say M equal to Hi by H naught, that equal to V by U.